Yeah, even though it's dry and sunny, sometimes it can be too hot. We didn't have any problems outside this afternoon. Right now we're at 81 degrees at DIA. Upper 70s and lower 80s is the name of the game across the Front Range and Eastern Plains. We're seeing those 60s, 70s, even low 80s in some of the high country areas. Much warmer out west, 93 degrees right now out in Grand Junction. But let's go ahead and take a look at our current conditions. Beautiful sunny skies over downtown Denver. 81 degrees right now at DIA, but we have calm winds. It's beautiful out there for your 4th of July activities. One area we want to be especially careful of fire danger. We do have a red flag warning in effect until 7 o'clock. This is going to be for southern portions of Park County. Now, these winds aren't gusting too bad, just around 30 miles per hour, but it's very dry, 12% relative humidity, so we want to watch for increased fire weather danger here. As we take a look at our HD Doppler radar, a lot of activity to the northeast, but as we take a look over Colorado, a beautiful 4th of July afternoon out there. We're going to continue to see great weather even as we move through the evening. We can see that here on our Futurecast. Not a whole lot to look at. Can't rule out a stray pop-up shower. It'll be very quick, very brief, might not even reach the ground. So we're going to continue to plan for a mostly dry and clear evening. Even as we move into the day tomorrow, most of us will be sunny and dry, but across the eastern plains, we're going to watch for some very spotty showers and storms, even as early as tomorrow morning through tomorrow afternoon before all of that moves out late Friday night. So as we take a look at our afternoon highs and our lows for tonight, we're going to be pretty mild. Most of us will be in the 40s and 50s overnight with some 30s in the high country, low 60s out west and to the southeast. Tomorrow, temperatures a lot like what we saw today. If you thought today was comfortable, we're going to see temperatures very similar tomorrow afternoon, maxing out in the lower 80s again in Denver. Surrounding areas might be maxing out in the upper 70s, but we're going to see those temperatures roughly upper 70s, lower to middle 80s all across the eastern half of the state. More 70s in the mountains and then warm again across the western slope, middle to upper 80s near Grand Junction. As you take a closer look into our Front Range forecast highs for tomorrow, you can see here most of the Front Range into the urban corridor be in the upper 70s, low 80s as we make our way through the day. And then as we go further west, of course, we're going to see those cooler temperatures in the foothills and high country, 60s and 70s there. Areas like Berthoud Pass, Winter Park looking at highs in the upper 50s. Still very mild for this time of year. So today and tomorrow, we're going to see those highs in the low 80s. We're watching for those eastern plains showers and storms tomorrow, but then we dry out quite a bit for our Saturday. Temperatures warming to seasonal numbers for this time of year in the upper 80s. Sunday, temperatures drop again. We're going to watch for a cool front to push through by Sunday afternoon. That's going to bring more widespread scattered showers and storms. It's also going to drop our afternoon temperatures to near 80 degrees. As we go through the rest of the work week, this is where we're looking for sunnier skies to stick around. We're also going to watch those temperatures slowly climb as we go through the middle of the week. Middle 80s Monday, upper 80s Tuesday, and then as we make our way into next Wednesday and Thursday, we're looking at those temperatures back in the 90s.